Adjectives. When we talk about adjectives, we're talking about words that modify nouns. But there's different ways that an adjective can modify a noun, and that's what adjectival position is all about. There's the attributive position, the predicate position, and the substantival position. An adjective can be a substantive. So let's look at that. First of all, let's just review that an adjective modifies a noun and answers one of three questions: how many, what kind, which one. And when we talk about adjectival position, we're going to talk about attributive position. And when an adjective is in attributive position, you'll see it is just the simple good book, large book, small book. When we talk about predicate position, now we're talking about a different way of describing a noun, and that is by using this. This is the key element right here. This is a linking verb. A linking verb is just any form of the verb to be. And now instead of saying the good book, we're going to say the book is good, or the book is large. So good and large here on the left are attributive adjectives, and good and large on the right here are predicate adjectives. Now if you'll remember from the noun video, there was such a thing as a predicate nominative. And the only difference between a predicate nominative and a predicate adjective is that a predicate adjective is an adjective and a predicate nominative is a noun. That's the only difference. They're in exactly the same position. A substantival adjective is just like anything that's substantival, means that a word is performing a noun function. You'll remember the noun functions: a subject, object, predicate, nominative. Those are positions. Those are functions that are peculiar to nouns. And a substantive is a word that may not be a noun, as in this case. It may not be a noun, but it's still performing the function of a noun. So if you look at the sentence here, the ancient philosophers were always looking for the good. This word good here is an adjective. And yet it's performing a noun function because it's the object of this preposition for. And an object is a noun function. And therefore good, even though it's an adjective, is a substantival adjective, which indicates to us that even though it's an adjective, it's performing one of the noun functions.